This is a door and a wall. Inside the door and outside the wall is your love. Large space effects can also be achieved behind the wall. Skin Cream Gray for 1010 profile. 6.0 millimeters profile. Wall thickness skin feel. No fingerprints on the surface. Embedded track design. Can't see the protruding accessories. With crystal gray glass. More transparent. Standard round handle of the same color. Can also be used as a one-word handle. Can be used as black acacia gray. Cream Mash. Suitable for a variety of home styles. 3 linkage rail width 140, 6 high 45. Quadruple suspension rail width 190 to high 45. Full set of OPEC linkage accessories with bidirectional buffering. Using high-precision craft wheels. There are 3 hemming lines that can be done. There are 36 edging lines, 42 edging lines, 58 edging lines. This is our door leaf side mounting structure. We use the method of picking plastic parts up and down. Easy adjustment and installation. The wonders outside the walls are created by you. The order inside the door is made by me.